Folks, so this week we've got a bunch of stuff to do, all stuff that's leading to our first draft of project two. We're going to start by just doing some reading of some concepts that you are well aware of, but it would be good to get them clear in your mind so that you can break apart different parts of your draft. You can do a little bit here, a little bit there, and all the different purpose. So we're going to review the concepts of argument, claim, counter-argument, rebuttal, concession, 3 chapters from active voices. As I say, you know these terms probably, but maybe not all that clearly, so take notes, make sure you know them. There'll be a couple questions at the end of the quarter on some kind of fine little assessment we do here. So you want to know these things because you want to do them consciously as you put together project two. We're also going to talk about two-part titles. These are incredibly valuable for writers and for readers, and I wish we had had a chance to look at them earlier, but we'll do it now. So read this chapter in two-part titles and see how they work for readers, see how they work for writers. We're also going to review principles of clear writing. Now, we're doing an IMRAD paper, which is science-based, and so there's this preference for clear writing. What does that mean exactly? So we're going to get a sense of it just to see what other people say. You can agree or disagree or choose as much as you like, but we're going to read a short article from the Harvard Business Review, and it's right there, and get a sense of that relative to our argument, claim, counter-argument, all that kind of stuff, just so you have something going forward. Then I have a little short video I made on multiple significances. Significances, so what? What is the value of this going forward? That's a question that a lot of people don't address as thoroughly as they should. And so I've given you an example here of what one student could have done in a little video here. So take a look at that, multiple significances. And then we're going to do one thing. This is an optional thing if you want to. If you've done a survey, for example, you may want to present a bar graph or a pie chart or something. This talks a little bit about incorporating those kinds of visual representations here. So that's an extra credit thing, but useful, especially as you look at project three. Then we're going to go do some synthesizing sources. This is when you take multiple sources for multiple ideas from different sources, 2 or 3 different, and weave them together to create some new one. This is incredibly important. If you are good at this, you have a lot of power as a writer in the academy. So we're going to practice this one more time, get some feedback, give it your best effort. You try, you get points. That's good. And then we're going to put all this together into a draft of our IMRAD paper, the complete draft, best you can, every section full, punch it out there. And then on Friday, we'll do some feedback memos to our PFS. Okay, so a busy week, but a really solid week. Looking forward to seeing what you come up with.